Hey guys, I forgot to record a breakfast intro yesterday. So you pretend like you just got to Detroit and you're so excited to fly this weekend. Oh my gosh.
Excited to fly this weekend.
My goodness. Nothing.
Nothing.
Alright. So what spot do you want to go to first?
Let's go to Quad Castle first.
Quad Castle, here we come. You got enough props there? Think that's enough?
Maybe. Maybe. Judging me?
Oh, I'm not judging you. You don't come flying to Detroit and not crash a bit.
Right.
Or a lot. Probably a lot.
You don't love me.
When we have PV in Detroit, we're all about the exercise as well. Don't get tired now. We still got a few more flights to go. Ooh, such fire.
Yeah.
It smells good.
It evaporated.
I don't know if I even want to tell you about this. So we all just got done flying our first spot for the weekend. Had a great time, crashed a bit, got some good shots. And then we were driving back to my house and I stopped here along the way to get some coffee. And as I was walking around behind my car, I see that my tailgate is still down and this cord is just dangling. See, I use this plugged into here to plug into my charger. You know what you don't see on the end of this? My charger or my batteries. So yeah, somewhere out in the world on some road is my favorite charger. 3 batteries and a balance board. Sorry you guys beat me back here. I stopped to get myself coffee and also to cry about the fact that I left my batteries charging on my tailgate and drove away and now they're gone forever.
Well, you must have been dragging like a flame behind you.
At least,
better turn on the news. It'll be
at
like,
least I got something interesting for the vlog. That's literally how I think now. I'm like, I just lost so much stuff. At least it's funny for the or I got mail. Thanks for sticking a knife on it.
Yeah.
If you like it, then you should have stuck a knife in it. If you like it, then you should have stuck a knife in it. Some new ESCs we're experimenting with. And more
Train day hype.
train to hype. That's good because I did break a motor today, so now I've got replacements. Oh, hey, another poker chip.
Oh, that's cool.
That's nice.
Is this your 1 month chip?
Just finished putting on a new set of motors.
What was that?
Talking to the vlog.
Oh.
Are you guys ready to go? Alright, we've made it to our second spot. I think we've only got like an hour and a half of daylight left. We're moving kind of slow, but you know, it's okay. Half the fun is just hanging out. So we're just chilling. I don't know if I've actually properly introduced these guys. Well, I have in a previous vlog. But if you're new, this is, how do I point? This is Nick. Where's Travis? This is Travis. These two guys make the frames that I break. Yeah, the razor wire? That seems like a good idea.
Put gauges in.
Yeah.
Look at this guy, huh? Look at this guy. Thanks for joining.
I'm ready to show you how it's done, ladies and gentlemen.
All right, I would say that was a successful second spot of your visit. Yes? Fun?
Yes.
Did you rip things?
Yes.
Oh, look at that.
Some things.
Look at that ripping. Hey, wait for it. Okay. I want to propose a toast to a successful day of bando slaying. Here.
Does your camera have a furry hat?
It is a furry hat.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can't see very well.
Yeah. It's for a wind noise. Do you guys want to go to more bandos tomorrow, or is it office day? Or a mix?
A mix, I think.
What are you shaking your head at?
We're in Detroit. The office is in Ohio. That doesn't
true.
count.
True.
Yeah.
Bandos it is.
More bandos tomorrow. Look at the love with which this breakfast was made. It's a little heart. Gimme. Okay, just pulled up to a spot that I haven't been to before. Jeff is already here.
I got your buddy in here. He's handcuffed to a post. What's going to happen to you guys if you stay on the property?
Oh, okay.
So Jeff is...
Let him go, because if you really have him, that's pretty illegal.
Is he really?
I don't know. It's called custody.
Yeah. Well, no, we just got booted. There's a guy here saying this is private property, get the fuck off the property, and your buddy's in there handcuffed to a post. Are you handcuffed to a post?
You're on private property.
Okay, well, we're on our way out. We're just trying to get someone.
Still on private property.
Oh my God.
We
didn't steal anything. You're making all sorts of wild accusations for nothing. We literally just walked in to fly a drone. We're trying to make sure we're on our way out. Jeez. Oh, there you guys are.
Listen, you know? I mean, it depends
Hey,
on
you
what
look
you're
stunning
into.
today.
Maybe I would have been.
What?
You look stunning.
Thanks, boo. All right, so this is a bust. No, I mean it's fine. We were like, we're on our way out. He's like,
In the gun.
you guys got a bunch of spray bottles in there, don't you? Like, no, we got drones.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so first spot was a bust. I guess I can't blame someone for getting sketched out about us being there. I mean, there's plenty of people that show up wanting to do maybe not the best stuff, but we're just here to fly drones. So what? Thanks, Jeff. Yep, it's definitely nice having a drone store local, because when you do something stupid, like lose your charger on the road, you can buy another one, and your friend will bring you right to you. Screw you. We've come back to one of our favorites, just doing the walkthrough for the people who ain't been here before. What are you thinking, man?
Oh, it's a sweet spot.
Yeah, I'm
There's
psyched.
There's fun things over there, S's and dives. There's cool things up there. There's cubes. I'm real psyched.
Quit yapping, make it happen. Who are you? We didn't get to properly meet because we were getting chased out by security.
Eric.
So are you Rat Race FPV?
That's my crew I fly with in Toronto, yeah.
Okay.
You know.
I thought you might have been wearing a t-shirt with your own name on it, which I would never do. Here, I'll put a picture of me wearing my own shirt right here. Bing! Well, I don't know what the hell I'm going to title this video now, because I lost my charger, so I could call it I Did Something Stupid. My friend's handcuffed to a pole. We got kicked out. We were almost arrested. Here's someone tripped. Oh, I almost died. Well, Evan's getting one more battery in. The sun is starting to come down, and as much as this is one of my favorite spots for golden hour, I want to make sure that our our visiting friends get to one more before they take off. All right, back at another classic spot. Just planned some travel to New York for tomorrow. So that was some last minute fun.
Busy guy.
What else have I been doing? I feel like there was something else. A few other things, I don't know. Most importantly though, getting the rip on.
Getting the rip chilling with the fam.
If you're gonna land by the camera, at least land in front of the camera. I wish you guys could stay longer. Alright, we are finished wrapping up this weekend. It's a great weekend of flying with our friends, general shenanigans. Thank you guys for hanging out. Apologies, this was all scattered and, you know, stuff, but it's fun, right? Right? Let's go. Okay, it was a great weekend with my friends. Always fun when buddies come in from out of town. Get to show them all the fun spots. Like I mentioned, some last minute travel came up, which is exciting. So I'm at the airport running late as usual. I keep pushing it. I've been traveling a lot this year and I keep arriving closer and closer to when we're supposed to board. One of these days I'm gonna push it too far. I think I'm gonna be okay today, but I do kind of have to rush. So, see you in New York.